The phrase would have is often used when we think of a situation that didn't happen. For example, Tom would have died from the snake poison. Look at this sentence. Tom had been bitten by a snake, but he didn't die. So in this case, if we want to express the probability of death of Tom in case of snake bite, so we will use would have. Tom would have died from the snake poison. Look at the next example. You would have a stomach ache after eating that bad food. So we are actually expressing the possibility, the probability of stomach ache after eating that bad food. But actually, you ate some bad food, luckily nothing happened to your stomach. So in this case, the probability will be expressed with the use of would have. So next example, I would have slapped Harry if he talked to me like that. So in this case, we are talking if Harry will have talked to me in that bad way, then I would have slapped him. Harry talked in a very bad way with Paul, and instead of Paul, if it was me, then I would have slapped him. It would have been great if John attends the party. So in this case, we are expressing that it will have been a great fun if John had attended the party. So in this case, John couldn't attend the party, so we are expressing the possibility if he had attended the party, then it would have been a great player. We also use would have when we see the results of something and make a guess on what had happened. In that case, we see some examples. Number one is the tiger would have jumped out of the cage. The tiger is not seen inside the cage, so we might express our fear, our guess that tiger would have jumped out of the cage. It might have jumped out of the cage. Look at the next example. He would have gone to shop. So if we find there is nobody at home or he is not in the house, so we try to guess where he might have gone. So we say he would have gone to the shop. So we can also use might instead of would here. Look at another sentence. It would have been difficult to pass the test. Many people have failed in the exams and we guess that the test might have been difficult. So we say it would have been difficult to pass the test. So this is how we use would have as a phrase in the sentences in English. I hope you have learned the use of would have and you can now use it in sentences. I would recommend to make 5 sentences using would have and use some more practice if you want. Subscribe to my channel and take care. Goodbye.